Welcome students to the FC lecture. In the last lecture, we have seen India as a multicultural society, pluralistic society, and one more thing we have seen, that is demography in India. In this lecture, we will be seeing India as a multilingual society. For that, one should know what is language. Language is a thread that ties the society together. It is not only the means of communicating ideas or thoughts, but it also forges friendship, cultural ties, economic relations, etc. Now, see, India is known for its linguistic diversity. Be it is included, it is accepted nationally or not, it is included in the 8th schedule or not. In some region, they are taken as regional languages or dialects, because see, at every 10 kilometers we say the language changes in India. Actually, it is not the language, but it is the dialect which changes in India. Alright, but there are many languages which are not recognized languages in India, but still they are used. So, coming to the language families in India, Indian languages belong to 4 language families. First one is Indo-Aryan family. Second is Dravidian family. Third is Austroasiatic. Or you can say Austric family. And fourth one is Sino-Tibetan family. Now see, Indo-Aryan family, the languages belonging to this family are spoken in northern India as well as central India and some part of the western India. If you consider Dravidian, the name itself indicates they are spoken in the southern states. Austroasiatic, these are the languages which are spoken in the northern region, northeastern region, and these are the languages which are spoken basically in the northern Himalayan region, which are near the Burma border. Alright, now we will move on to Indo-Aryan family. The languages, it includes the languages like Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Odia, Sanskrit, Bihari, Santhali, all these are included in Indo-Aryan family. And these languages are generally spoken in the northern region and central India, basically in northern and central India. Then 72% of the population speak these languages. I have listed a very small number. Punjabi, Kashmiri, all these are included in this. Moving on to Dravidian family, 25% of the population speak these languages. Now, this includes the languages such as Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam and Kannada, all 4 southern states. Alright. And 25% of the population speak these languages. Moving on to Austroasiatic family, here the people residing in northeastern region and some part of central India speak these languages. Now, for example, Mons and Khasi people speak these languages, or Mon Khmer in northeastern region speak these languages. Moving on to Sino-Tibetan family, as I have told you, the people residing in the northern region, they speak these languages. These languages include Sherpa, Ladakhi, Bodo, Tipra, and yes, these languages are included in this. Sikkimi, and these languages are older than Indo-Aryan languages. Alright, now moving on to the official languages. India follow 3-language policy. Now in 3 languages we have Hindi is the first official language of India, whereas English is the secondary official language of India, and third official language the state will decide its language depending upon the demographics of the state, which language is to be used for the official purpose. Now it is said that 41% according to census 2001, around 41% of population speak Hindi, and 27% of the population speak English. Alright, now if this is the condition, obviously Hindi should be given the status of first official language, and the third official language could be any of the language depending upon the state. Now, neither the Constitution of India nor any Indian law defines any language as national language of India. Article 343(1) says that the official language, the first official language of Indian Union shall be Hindi in Devanagari script. And Article 343(2) says English as the secondary official language of Indian Union. So this was about the official languages of India. Moving on to the next part, that is linguistic conflicts. Now, during British rule, English was used as an official language for means office purpose at the provinces as well as at the center, federal level. But in 1950, when we adopted our constitution, Hindi was selected as official language. Now in 1965, an attempt was made to completely remove English, which was used as official language, but this was met with a protest by states of Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, West Bengal, Pondicherry, etc. So English was kept as an secondary official language. Now third official language, state is not bound to follow any of the official language. It can decide its own official language. For example, in Maharashtra we have Marathi, which is among the recognized language of India. But at the same time, Mizo in Mizoram, Garo Khasi Jayantiya in Meghalaya and French in say Pondicherry. These languages are not included in the recognized language in 8th schedule, but yet they are used as the language, as the official language in those states. Apart from this, every child has got a right to take his or her primary education in his mother tongue, regardless of it is included in the 8th schedule or not. Now coming to the one more thing, extra knowledge. Pondicherry is the only union territory which is located on both the coast of India, that is eastern coast as well as the western coast. Now please find it out which units are located in the east coast and which unit is located on the west coast. Next is 8th schedule. See, while studying the Constitution of India, we are going to see all the schedules in detail. But see, the Constitution has basic 3 parts. First part is preamble, as you have the preface in your book. In the same manner, it has preamble. Then it has the main body, in which all the articles are included, and then it has the 12 schedules. So from this 12 schedules, 8th schedule speaks about the recognized language. In 1950, when we adopted the Constitution, there were only 15 recognized languages. Then 3 more were added by 72nd Amendment Act, and 4 more were added by 92nd Amendment Act. and these 4 latest which were added in the recognized language or in the 8th schedule to make the total 22 were Bodo, Santhali, Maithili and Dogri. So this is about the India as multilingual society, but before I conclude, I must let you know Andhra Pradesh was the first state to be formed on linguistic basis, that is Telugu speaking